Audio Jungle.
Hey guys, how's it going? So I am back today with another hair review. So today's hair review is a little bit special because this is my own wig with Myfirstwigs. So this is a third wig I've had, I have now with this company. Now you guys know I love a kinky straight, yucky straight type of texture. So I wanted to make a unit that was kind of a nice texture that you can actually straighten out, give it a nice look, and actually wear it in its natural look because it is actually very, very pretty. Now I did go ahead and dye this hair prior to showing it to you guys. So I did use 3 boxes of the Revlon Color Silk Soft Black. Now this, I just wanted to add some hair dye to it because I do like black hair in the summertime. So you'll see a little patches in here where I didn't catch some color, but it still came out nice and everything was covered over and very, very black to the T. So I thought that this was very nice, and you guys can see right here I'm straightening out a piece. The hair straightens with basically one pass. It's very nice and slick. Now I did go ahead and also bump the ends on this just to give it kind of like a nice kind of straight and blowout look, and I'm telling you guys, this is very, very pretty, very, very nice. You can still see a little bit of that kinky texture in it, but it overall straightened out pretty bone straight and pretty freaking nice. So I'm definitely feeling this, guys. Continue to keep watching this video. I am going to show you guys how I install it, so it's going to definitely be a full start to finish video.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Alright guys, can't forget about the styling part. So basically what I'm doing is using Got To Be glue. This cap that I actually have on my head right now is actually a super old cap, but it serves the purpose because it just lays my hair really flat. Some of you guys asked me what my pattern is underneath. I actually don't have hair. I did have like a little bit of I have like a bald back and like a little bit of a fringe in the front, but I actually cut the fringe off because I had a little bit of damage from my hair dye process that I did when I colored my hair red. So I'm going to start over again and regrow my hair. So for now I just have maybe like 1 or 2 inches of hair at the top, so I can basically wear any wig I want and it'll always lay flat. So just to answer that question, I have like 1 inch of hair, so my hair, I don't really do anything, it just lays flat by itself. So basically what I'm doing, guys, oh my god, look at this, guys, like come on, tell me this is not freaking pretty. Like every time I watch this part I'm like, oh my god, this wig looks absolutely gorgeous. So I am going to show you guys what the wig looks like curled because I did get asked a question about the hair in curled state, but obviously you can see right now this is the hair when it's just basically straight and bumped at the ends, and this is absolutely a #1 stunner. people, so this is the finished look of this unit right here. So I did come back to show you guys this hair with a little bit of a curl to it. I did post a picture on Instagram which you guys were in love with, and you guys asked me if I could show you guys what the hair looks like when it's curled. So obviously if you watched this video this far, you guys know this is my third wig with myfirstwigs.com. So this is my personal kinky straight type unit. It's 16 inches long. It provides you with 6 inches of parting space, and it is a glueless cap. back. So I wanted to show you guys a full kind of start to finish with this one. I'm coming back obviously 3 days later because I kind of have to give you guys a full overview of what I think about my new unit. Now you guys know I've been in love with the yaki textured units for a while. I love the texture just because once you wash it, it looks like you got a nice wash out and then blow dried it out and even put it straighten it out. It just looks so much you know, similar to what my hair used to look like when my hair was longer. Obviously you guys know now my hair is super duper short, but it just kind of replicates like, you know, my former hair before, just always going in and getting like a wash and set and then getting it pressed out. I just kind of feel like this is the closest to the texture that I'm familiar with, and you know, just kind of having it in a wig pattern, just like in a wig form, is just easier to style and kind of mimic it to make it look like your natural hair. Obviously I did go a little bit extra. I did go ahead and dye this hair a soft black color from Revlon Color Silks. I wanted to go for something a little bit darker just to kind of balance me out in the summertime. I usually get a little bit darker in the summertime, so I do like my hair to be like a little bit more darker and kind of striking. So I did go in with the Revlon Color Silks soft black to kind of darken this up. I did also go in and just bleach a little bit of the perimeter. Now I'm going to let you know I'm not a big bleaching type of person. I'm still learning, but I did do a pretty good job with this one around the hairline. And it just kind of makes the wig look a lot more natural and just a really pretty. When you do receive this unit, you'll get it in a natural color, so you can go ahead and dye it. It does take bleach. It does take regular box dye if you're going to make it darker, so that's something you don't have to worry about. I didn't see any kind of like, you know, difference when I dyed it. It's still the same. The density wise, obviously since it's straightened, it's a little bit less dense, but this to me is about, let's see, 150% density, but it's a nice density for kinky straight, so you always have to keep that in mind. Kinky straight hair is already a thick density, so even if I straightened it, it's still going to hold a lot of kind of weight and give you a lot of fluff and volume. And that's one reason why I like this one in the 16-inch. You guys know in the spring and summertime I like to keep my hair like at a good length like this. The only time I really go long is if I'm doing like a really nice kind of like tropical trip where I'm going to put my head in the water back to back. I do have this awesome adhesive I'm going to show you guys that's waterproof as well too. So my trips are actually coming up pretty soon, so I will do a video on that for you guys. But for the summertime I like my hair to be kind of like this length, wavy, straight, or whatever. Some of you guys love the straight way I styled this one. I thought the straight way was fabulous, but I do like a little bit of a wave, you know, for just kind of those nights you want to go out in the spring and summertime and have something kind of pretty and natural looking. I will turn around and show you guys what the back looks like, but this is kind of like the side profile view. Very natural. I did go ahead and do baby hairs around the perimeter and stuff like that, so it's pretty damn near flawless, guys. So guys, if you're interested in purchasing this unit from myfirstwigs.com, I will leave all the information down below. Do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family people. And I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.